Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another quick tips for you. It is amazing what you can find at the Dollar Tree. In fact, here it is. My quick tip of the day is a set of 3 baby food stores with feeding spoon. Now you might be wondering, what can I use that for? Well, I'll tell you this. If you have spring snakes and say you have the king nut can style, you can, if you convert the spring snakes into the fabric version like I've told you before, you can put one inside, at least one, probably more than one. I haven't tried it. If you've got the Nibbles brand style, you can force one of them in. Hopefully you saw that go. If you have the Jolly Good jelly beans, this is the whole Empire brand with the exception of the small ones, and you can put one of those in there too. This one here, again, this is the jelly bean version. Straight out of the can, you can put one in there. So these things are awesome. They 3 of them for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and you can store a spring snake in each one of them. You can do some sort of routine where you have several different things out, and is there one in here? Is there one in here? And a spring snake comes out. Anything you want to do, that's what these can be used for. So that's your quick tip for the day for spring snakes. There it is, 3 little storage containers for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Until next time, this is the DIY Magician.